Is this 5 stars toilet? Today I'm gonna go out on a hike close to the first place where I was, like first time I was recording. I'm not gonna sleep at the shelter, but I'm thinking picking the sleeping spot where I showed you last time. It will be cool to sleep over. I hope gonna do that or maybe gonna pick the forest. We're gonna see. Because I wanna save some time, I almost got stuck here. Like, look my car, it's so dirty. So I'm now walking down to the shelter where I was sleeping first time when I was actually recording. I don't think I'm gonna use the shelter. I'm gonna try use the beach, or set up a tarp on the beach and see how that's gonna go. It's gonna be pretty cold, about -1 degrees tonight. So it's not that bad, but it's still gonna be cold. We have snow outside, but the snow is melting because it's so hot at the daytime. But yeah, I'm gonna try set up a tarp and sleep there. So now just walk about 2 kilometers to the place where I sleep in my first shelter. I don't think I'm gonna be sleeping here tonight, but if it's gonna be too windy out there, I can always sleep there. I think there's some firewood there I can use. Last time I was here, I didn't see this toilet here, so I'm gonna check it out. Maybe there's a 5 stars toilet, who knows? Maybe there's gonna be a 5 stars toilet I could use. You don't know. Hey no! Is this a 5 stars toilet? Hey. I really don't hope this is gonna poo step down here because my shoes is pretty muddy. This is actually pretty good. Oy. So that's good to know there's gonna be a toilet here. I don't understand why I didn't see that last time, but that's why I wanna come here, because I have been here before. When you've been the same place 2 times, there's so much more you're gonna explore and maybe see. Like this toilet, I didn't see that last time. So now I'm gonna go down and see if I can sleep down at the water. It's really windy today. I think I did one mistake. I didn't check the wind today. And it's really windy. I was thinking sleeping here. I'm gonna find a new place, but there's a good place further back there. I think this or this over there was where cooking and doing it, get a cup of coffee, I think was, piece of bread with the cheese on. It changed so much since I was here. I don't think you can recognize this place. It's not the same anymore. And it's not even 3 months since I was here. I don't know if I have been sleeping the last 20 years or playing too much computer. I didn't know the landscape was changing so much. Holy moly. I'm thinking putting up the tarp here, so it's going that way. So it's gonna block the wind from that way. So here. And then I can maybe build something over here, like a wall or something. Put the fire around here. So I'm thinking, lay here. I bought a new knife. It's easy to use the axe for that. I bought a knife and an axe, so that's gonna be so much useful when I need to like do stuff, chop stuff and that. I can easily do that right now. I don't want to damage this fresh tree, so I'm just gonna chop down in this one. Sorry guys, I need to give up. I'm really tired today. I'm actually not in the mood today. Sometimes you just need to realize you're not in the mood today. It has been like a really busy week. I have been working over 4 to 5 hours every day. I don't have the energy to go out and do this content to you guys. So guys, I hope you bear over with me. I'm gonna do like a new video like other day. There's always gonna be a new day. I'm slipping so much. There's like so many rocks here. And it's not easy to walk. I still need to remember why I'm doing this. I'm doing this because I want to get out and see some beautiful things and get some exercise. And trust me, walking with all this, it's about 15 kilo backpack. So just because of that, I walked about 6 kilometers. I'm pretty sure it was more. It's a goal. I don't know if I'm gonna lay this video out because it was kind of fell, but I really need to like say what it is. I like going out without any scripts, like just have a thought of what to do. And I've thought it's still a good idea to go out here where I've been before, because like there's always a new thing you can discover. Of course, I'm gonna come here again. But now I'm gonna head home and I'm gonna cook the steaks at my home. Maybe I'm gonna show it, maybe not. We're gonna find out. But else, please like and subscribe. See you next time, guys. Yeah, I think I kind of decided to put this video out. Of course, I have not made it yet. I'm just trying to talk as much as I can. So if I can use it as a video, I just realized it's just making me human if I like failing. It's not a fail, it's just like a downhill. I don't think people realize how hard it actually is to film it. It's tough enough to do it in real life, but when you need to film it and move the camera and all that stuff, it's taking so much energy. And that's totally fine, and it was fun. You need to have energy to it. I was kind of excited to show you my new axe, my new knife, and a new sleeping pad. I got a new sleeping pad that's like half a really high value, so it's gonna be so much more comfortable to sleep on. I have like a small problem the couple last time when I sleep outside. I'm not saying hitting the ground, it was not okay to sleep on. It was getting kind of cold. It was really small. I don't know if I can even get up again. I need to get up that hill. I'm not sure I can get that. I have winter tires on, so it should be okay, but it's really icy. It's really icy. Can you do that in other country? Let me know in the comment down below if you can do that in your country. My car was getting really muddy, so I kind of need to pay for a car wash. Like I'm never gonna do that because it's just like I just have like a simple Suzuki Swift car, so it doesn't matter. Let me know in the comment down below if you can sit in a car at a car wash in your country. When I was talking with some guys from USA, there's so many different things you do in different ways in other countries. You know. See you. So I'm gonna put sweet potato in my air fryer, and I think I'm gonna give it 45 minutes on 180. I'm not really that good to cooking, and I'm really not that good to air fryer, so I'm just gonna try me on the way. First time I'm gonna try give it 45 minutes on 180. It depends a lot what you're gonna give it. I think you need more, but I'm just gonna start with that and give it like a little bit more. I don't think you can give it too much, but I'm gonna try my way. So it just got 45 minutes on 180. So now I think it's done. I'm just gonna give it 5 minutes on 200 to give like a little bit crispy. I just had this steaks, I think entrecôte or something. I packed in a bag when I was going to the trip. Since I didn't do the trip, I'm gonna make the steak at home here. I already give them a little bit salt from the trip, but I'm just gonna give them a little bit more. And then I'm gonna like make them rest here a little bit. I always put a little butter and then some oil on it. And again, I'm not like a really good cooker, so I don't wanna give too many advice because I'm not even sure that's right. Put them on a hot plate. I know I'm making two. I'm making one now for my dinner at noon, and then I can eat the other one later. I'm gonna tip it a little bit. I wanna fry the side of the fat here. I wanna fry that a little bit because you're getting that with the taste, and that's gonna be really good. Oh, for such a don't hit the plate. Then we're gonna take like a garlic, cut in half. Just gonna drop that on the pan so it can be heated by the pan. I'm gonna put this, I'm pretty sure this is timian. I'm not sure because last time I was out cooking with Kasper. I'm pretty sure this is just fresh timian. It's really hard to do this cooking and filming the both same time. So I now want some more butter. And with the butter, when the butter is gonna smell, I'm gonna put it all over the steak. That's gonna be really good. Again, it's just something I saw in YouTube or television. I'm not really that good to cooking, but I'm sure it's gonna be good. I'm just gonna let it rest in here when I'm doing the sweet potatoes. Gonna put it on the plate. It's really hard. This was what I wanna make out in the forest at the beach where I was sleeping. It's looking so good. I'm gonna put some garlic and some raw onion or something with the. I should actually make some bread to it, but I didn't. That's gonna be plenty. So now we're gonna taste it. Maybe it got a little bit too much. No, maybe a little bit. It's so good. I like that. I really like it. Maybe too much butter, I don't know. But I really hope you enjoyed the video. Like, I know it was like a big change. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. I don't think you should go out and do something if you don't have the energy for it. This is to the people out there. It's never like, it's not always going your way. So if you're not in the mood, it's okay to say no and do some other thing. I still enjoyed it and I still making some good food and it was fun. I hope you have fun too. See you guys.